this example, I also want to run a quotation query again. So the quotation manager is open. And the first thing that I need to do is I click on the filter icon to start the query. So now I'm clicking on the filter icon to start the query, and I continue to add a rule. So here also I want all quotations of a particular code group, and this time I choose reasons for having kids. And now I want to group the results actually by document groups. Well, there's lots of quotation in 2 blocks, but in these 2 blocks, well, the document group in that sense is not so interesting because it's not case-based. So I actually want to restrict the search now to my survey data, which is case-based. So I can actually compare education and level, gender, and so on. So now I've restricted it to survey data, and then I only get the document groups of the survey data, like gender, education and background, the number of children they have, and so on. So I can continue to export and to create a report. Again, the standard is I only see the quotation names. It's going to actually pick up that I've already grouped by document groups. I've now added content of the quotations, and if I also want to see the coding, I will also see the kind of codes that are also applied to the quotations in addition to the codes of my group. And then on top of that, it is actually sorted by document groups. If I want, I can also now sort by codes. So also here, if you then decide you want a different view, you can change that. And then it would also make sense to have the codings here to see which other codes apply, or you just deselect. Another option is to, if you have this sorting, to now add the documents and the document groups. Then you see the quotations, the quotation content, in which document it occurs, and also to which document group the quotation belongs. Yeah, and then you could, further options probably don't make much sense. But you see, even if you've run a query, you can still here change the content and how the content is organized. So you kind of get the same results, but it's organized in different ways depending on what you want to focus on. So again, we have the content, the document name, and then the membership. You can decide to print it on paper or to save it as PDF. So you have various options here. And you save it as Word document, docx, or OpenOffice format. So these are the options you have.